Yo, what's good, chat? This is how I made 1.5k day trading the S&P 500 yesterday. So let's just get straight into it. And also, bro, anybody saying that like I'm gambling, bro, I'm tired of hearing that, bro. I'm gonna just say yeah. I'm gonna just start saying yes, bro. I am gambling. To anybody doubting, bro, yes, I am gambling. So, also, I didn't really go into my strategy the last time. So, my strategy basically is just a liquidity sweep. Um, I gotta see a 5 minute change in direction, so like a break of structure, SMT or inverse fair value gap, and then for my continuation, I need either A equilibrium or B a fair value gap to retrace into it, and then just out of it, I need either inverse fair value gap or a break a structure out of it towards my goal. And if you don't know anything of what I just said, you're cooked. It's like nah. But I'll link the video that I watched. It's TJR. He made like a 5 hour video. So if you're really interested in trying to learn, I'll link that in the description below so you guys can watch. So also why I didn't record this live was because my bro, yesterday was crazy. My internet went out. I woke up, did my little morning routine, bro, and like internet was just not working. Like it was an outage in my town. Bro, I was so mad, bro. So keep this in mind, bro, because I did mess up, guys. I did make 1.5k, but I did mess up too. I did mess, and I'm gonna go into that. That's why they say your emotions play into a part, because they really do, bro. Imagine me already starting to trade, and then I'm already pissed off. Like I'm already mad, bro. So let's get into it. So coming into 9:30, we see this boom, right? We see this. And what did ES do? What did ES do? It made a SMT, bro. SMT from these from these lows to these lows. So boom. Look, um Nasdaq took out these lows, bro, immediately. Literally as soon as market opened. So I was like, yo, that's fire sign, because I didn't know whether to be bullish or bearish. You feel me? So as soon as I see that, I'm like, yo, it's kind of up. So I already knew I wanted to be bullish here, right? So boom, what do we do here? So boom, we make this 5 minute. Where is it? We make this 5 minute bullish fair value gap. So I'm like, boom. Yo, this is I was like, in my mind, I'm like, bro, this is the strategy playing out in real time. I'm like, bro, this is crazy. It's like only like it's 5 minutes into the market open right here. So I'm like, bro, honestly, like I just need that retracement and I'm in, bro. So yo, keep in mind, like I'm like, bro, I'm thinking I'm like mad because I can't record live. So I'm like, bruh. So we come here and boom. So look, this is where it started to go bad, bro. This is where it started to go bad. Because look, this is where it started to go bad because I'm like, okay, equilibrium. I'm like, yo, equilibrium got hit, right? Boom. Perf to the dot. And I'm like, all right, let me scale down to the 1 minute, bro. I was like, yo, let me scale down to the 1 minute, right? Let me go a little more back. Let me scale. All right. I got this little retracement. So I was like, bro. So I was like, yo, look, boom. I got that, bro, right? And I was like, all right. I was like, bro, as soon as it inverses this gap, bro, I'm in, right? I was like, bro, as soon as it inverses this gap, I'm in, right? So I'm switching between, and then boom, this happens. So I'm like, okay, it didn't inverse it yet, but it inversed it. It inversed it here on the S&P. So what my stupid self did, what I did, bro, I went long, bro. I went long on Nasdaq, but it closed bullish on the S&P. So I was like, I bet. So I was like, bro, I bet. So I go long right here, bro. I had stops like really bro. I think I had my stops like right here, bro, because I was trading on the I was trading on regular Nasdaq on this on here. Look, these are my executions. These are my executions, bro. So y'all can't say I'm cap, cause bro, like look, like I went long. Look, it says 631. I went long 631, and you can see it, bro. I went like right here, bro. Immediately stopped out, yo. So keep in mind, bro. I'm down like 600. I was like, bruh. At this point, bro, my emotions was getting to me, dog. So I was like, bro. So look, boom, boom, but stop out, but straight, like, bro. Look at Nasdaq, and then look at the S&P, bro. Like this is moving higher. I realistically should have took on the leading index, right? But I was being a goofball, and I was not thinking straight. So I was like, bro. So let's see ES, right? So I go to ES, and I go to ES. And I'm like, all right. I'm like, all right, bro. Like, whatever. Like, let me just wait for a bearish, I mean, not a bearish, a bullish close, right? Because, bro, these what is marked out right here? This is, I'm pretty sure this is London high. Yeah, it's London high. So I had marked out London high, right? So I'm like, gang, like this gotta hit, bro. I was like, bro, this got to. But bro, since I already lost $600, I was like, bro, I gotta keep my tights. I gotta keep my things tight, bro. Like I can't lose bro. I can't afford to lose no more, right? Cause I was like, bro, I'm gonna be cooked. Cause I'm trying to pass this eval, gang. I can't lie to you. So I remember I went long here. I was targeting right here, and boom, I was targeting right here, cause right here, this is London highs, for example, right? So I had my stops. I went long right here. I was adjusting my stop loss because I didn't want to lose, bro. I didn't want to lose bread. So I was like, bro, I think I had my stop like right here. And then I kept like moving it up. Bro, worst mistake of my life, dog. Worst mistake of my life. Yo, what did I do? I don't know what I did, bro. Bro. Anyways, so boom. Keep in mind right here, I get stopped out, bro, by like the tick. Y'all see, I get stopped out by like the tick, bro. I was like, bro, am I like goofy? I'm like goofy. I'm down like a band right here, bro. And I'm like, bro, first of all, I need to pass this. Second of all, I'm getting cooked. So I was like, bro, I'm gonna do one last trade. Bro, I'm gonna do one last trade. And I was like, bro, if this one loses, I'm just done for the day. So boom. After I get this bullish close, I was like, bro, I'm keeping my stops under here. And this is my take profit. This is my take profit. So I entered, boom, like y'all see, like bro, I had high conviction in price hitting this. This is why I usually don't take 3 trades, bro. You feel me? Like I usually try to take 1 and I'm done, bro. But I was getting out because I was being stupid and emotional. That's the only reason. Like I had a high conviction in this. You feel me? The strategy played out. If I would have took it on the S&P, it would have been way better. You feel me? Like look. So we get our 5-minute SMT. We got a retracement into equilibrium, and then bro, if I would have entered right here, bro, that would have been a movie. Like bro, it would have been a movie. But there was so much going on with me, like put stops under these low, and then bro, like going right here, like dog, that would have been a 2 to 3.1, bro. Like movie, like look, movie. Feel me? This is why they say you gotta keep your emotions in check as a trader, bro. You gotta keep your emotions in check as a trader, dog. So let me show y'all proof. Nobody know I'm cat. Look, 459, bro. Look, we lost 375 ES, 635 on Nasdaq, but we made 1500 to make it all back plus more. So I'm trying to pass this eval, bro. So I'm sizing up. I'm sizing up, dog, because I'm trying to pass eval. Also, I did not trade today because it is FOMC. It is currently 1 o'clock right now on the dot. So FOMC, I'm not trading, bro. You gotta avoid that. You gotta avoid big news events like that. So yeah, that's basically it for the trade recap. All I could say genuinely is just, bruh, like, don't Optimum. You gotta, first of all, Optimum, you gotta fix your internet. First of all, that's first of all, bro. Second of all, that's what happens when you get emotional, bro. That's what happens when you get emotional. I lost money. I really didn't have to, bro. Like, I really didn't have to. You feel me? Like, this was the A+ setup. This was an A+ setup, bro. But it's all good. Yo, and also yesterday, NASDAQ was moving so trash, bro. So trash. Like, bro, one day I take a trade on the wrong index. Because, right, NASDAQ and the S&P 500 are correlated. They move together. But, bro, it's more... Yo, it's so bipolar, bro. Like, bro, at this point, the charts are more bipolar than your girl, bro. Like, straight up. Like, why... Yo, it was just like... It's just everything, bro. Everything trying to get me. But it's all right. It's December price action, you know. January gonna be way better, but we just getting warmed up right here. So, yeah. I appreciate y'all for watching. Yeah, I'm gonna link that video in the description. And, yeah. See y'all tomorrow, for real.